Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got these beautiful fluffy passion twists. I seen this on the Boho Babes YouTube channel and it was something that I loved and I had to actually do it myself. So I did go to my local beauty supply store and picked up the items in order to get this done. I am showing you exactly what I use in order to get this style. I am also going to be showing you how I put them in my hair using both the technique of just twisting them in as well as starting off with braids. So guys, I am not that great at pretty much showing you the details, but I'm going to try to talk you through as best as I can. Also, you can visit the Boho Babes YouTube channel. She also shows you how to get this style. I'm not sure if this originated from her, but this is the first time I've seen it and I actually really loved it. So if you guys stay tuned, you will see how I actually got this look.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Alright you guys, so you see I am going ahead and twisting at the end using my index finger just to get a nice little curl at the end, kind of like you do whenever you do like regular mini twists or just kind of like a twist out. You kind of take your index finger and twist around just to get that curl at the ends. And just going back into my hair, I am going to use my Bella curls again, and I'm going to moisturize the rest of my hair, or the rest of my twist, so I can go ahead and start doing my hair again. I'm pretty much just using the same technique. This time I am going to use the twisting technique straight in rather than braiding it down. I'm just going to start by twisting, and you'll see that in a second.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So you guys, at this point I'm pretty much just pulling my hair to either side, trying to see where I want my distinguished part to be. I'm still going to be able to move my hair around, but I do want a distinguished part so I know which side I want my hair to, where I'm going to be wearing it most of the time.
And
so you guys, now you're seeing me taking my denim brush and kind of just going through the hair. I want more of a messy look, and when I find that I just fluff out the twist, it's not giving me as messy of a hairstyle, so I am taking my denim brush just to go ahead and fluff out the hair a little bit more.
the storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
guys, so getting back to the twist, I'm taking my hair, I'm splitting it in two, and I'm pulling my hair to either side. The first side I'm going to start twisting, getting it as taut as possible, just because once I get it nice and tight, I am going to be able to pull the other side of my hair over and starting to twist the hair again. So again, I'm just twisting, getting it nice and tight, taking the other side, twisting them together, and that's going to form my twist. Alright you guys, so if you're looking at my hair, you probably can't tell that some are starting off with braids and some are starting off with twists. So I did pretty much do this all over my hair. Some of them I started off with braids, some of them I started off with twists, and it really just pretty much depended on how I felt at that time. And you really can't tell when looking at my hair and the finished product of it all. It really is not so much of how you're starting off the hair, just because this is a messy look. So either way you want to do it, if you want to start off with braids just because that is the easier technique, or if you want to start off using twists, either way does not matter when it comes to this hairstyle. So at this point, I'm pretty much done with all of my hair, and to kind of finish it off, I'm going to use my foaming wrap lotion. I know most people are supposed to use the mousse, however, I was not going to go out to the store and buy mousse when I had this foaming wrap lotion in my house, and it pretty much did the exact same job that I was looking to do. After I put this all the way down the shaft of my hair all over, I am going to move on to the next step. So in my last step, guys, I'm going to take my olive oil sheen spray, and I'm going to take it and spray it all over my hair, pretty much inside of the hair to get on my scalp. This is going to give my hair a nice little shine, to moisturize it a little bit more, and finish off the nice look that I have for these fluffy twists.